Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a background color under text in Photoshop. And to do this, let's select first text tool and let's write some text. I will write here TechWolf. And under this text now let's add some color background. And to do this, here on the left hand side you will need to select this rectangle tool. And you just press mouse down and draw the area on screen. The background is yellow, but if you would like to change this background fill, you just click on here at the very top. Let's change it to the white or to the black. So I will leave it black, and next thing what to do, click here on selection tool, which is usually the very first tool, and then you can put this background wherever you want. As you can see, text now is behind this background, but let's put the text above it here in the right hand side. And then if you would want to change the size of this background, all you need to do is just click on it and on your mouse cursor click on shift and take one corner, and then you can change the size however you want for this background, as you can see here guys. And once you are happy with size, you can reposition it how you want it under your text. This is how you can add a background color under text in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.